On the job site, downtime is expensive, delays cut into profits, compliance adds risk, and crews need tools they can trust. Reliable air power is essential to keep the job moving. That's where Airman makes the difference across industries. Irrigation contractors use compressed air to protect sprinkler systems from freezing damage. Concrete crews depend on consistent airflow to power tools and shotcrete applications. Oil and gas operations rely on mobile air power for sandblasting and as a backup when on-site systems fail. Telecom providers speed up fiber optic installation with dependable compressed air. Across industries, Airman helps crews get more done with less downtime, fewer interruptions, and peace of mind, knowing air power is there when it's needed most. Run with the best. Run with Airman. Discover the Airman Advantage at anacorp.com. At ANA, we make your world easier.